In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a template on Wix, fast and easy. If you're a beginner using the Wix website builder, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a straightforward manner, ensuring you leave with the confidence to select a template perfect for your needs. First, let's kick things off by heading over to your preferred web browser. Type Wix into the search bar and press Enter to perform the search. You'll see several entries, but you want to focus on the official Wix website. Click that link to proceed. Once you've landed on the Wix homepage, the next step is to log in if you already have an account. If not, it's a good time to sign up and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard. Here, you'll notice a menu or a series of options. You'll want to navigate toward Design Site. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be choosing from a variety of templates. Now, with Design Site open, your next stop is picking the perfect template for your project. Templates are the backbone of your website's design, providing a structure and aesthetic to build upon. To start this journey, click on the Pick a Template option. This will lead you to a gallery brimming with attractive designs, all neatly categorized based on different business needs and personal preferences. As you browse through the template gallery, take your time to consider how each design fits with the vision of your website. Whether you're crafting an online store, a personal blog, or a professional portfolio, the right template is essential in setting the stage for your content and functionality. Wix offers a wide variety of templates, so there's something for everyone. Once a template catches your eye, click on it. This will give you a more in-depth look at its features and design elements. It's a great opportunity to see how the template looks on different devices and explore any interactive components it might have. Don't rush this process. Finding a template that aligns with your content goals is crucial. After you've explored the template and feel confident about its potential, you're ready to start creating. By selecting Use this template, it will launch the editor where you can begin customizing it to fit your specific needs. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you are well on your way to starting your new website with Wix. Take your time with the design process. Your website reflects you or your brand, and choosing the right template is the first step toward making a lasting impact online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this